In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project into Asana using a PDF file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a document into a structured project with tasks and details using Asana's built-in importer and AI. Make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and have your PDF ready on your computer. Start by opening Asana and clicking the plus Create button. You'll usually find it near the top of your screen. This is your starting point for adding new work in Asana. From the menu that appears, choose Project. This tells Asana you're creating something larger than a single task and gives you access to project-level settings. Next, look for the Import option beside Blank Project. Clicking Import signals that you want Asana to build the project using content from a file. It's a helpful way to skip manual setup when your plan already exists in a document. Now, enter your project name. Pick something clear and descriptive so teammates immediately understand what the project is about. If your PDF has a title, consider matching it to keep things consistent across tools and files. Choose your project privacy. Set it to public if you want your entire team or workspace to view and collaborate, or choose private if the work is sensitive or still in draft mode. If you're unsure, private is a safe starting point. You can adjust visibility later as the project evolves. Click Upload a file and select your PDF from your computer. You might see a file name like sheet1.pdf or something similar. This is the file Asana will read to understand your tasks and structure. If your PDF includes clear headings and lists, that usually helps Asana interpret the content more accurately. Give the upload a moment to complete. Larger files can take a bit longer. While PDFs are the focus here, it's good to know you can also upload screenshots, documents, presentations, or spreadsheets if that's where your project plan lives. Just keep your connection stable and avoid navigating away during the upload. Once the file is uploaded, click Continue with Asana AI. This is where the magic happens. Asana AI analyzes the PDF and automatically sets up your project based on what it finds: tasks, sections, and other details inferred from your document structure. It's a fast way to translate a static file into a living, trackable plan inside Asana. You've successfully imported a project into Asana using a PDF file. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.